Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to set preferred item slots in Fortnite. Firstly, open the game and go to Settings. Navigate to the Game tab and scroll down to the Combat section. Now look for the preferred item slots. It's the fifth option in this option. Now toggle preferred item slots to on to activate it. This will allow the game to automatically assign certain items to specific inventory slots when picked up. Click Configure next to your preferred item slots and assign your preferred slots for different item types like rifle, shotgun, SMG, etc. Now you have 5 loadout slots to assign. You can leave some unassigned if you prefer flexibility, and you can reset or deactivate preferred item slots at any time if you want to revert it to default behavior. Controller players should enable the quick weapon beta feature. This improves the inventory navigation and lets you switch between weapons quickly. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.